Good morning, everybody. On 5 Weekend Adventures, we're going to be going today and painting our rear bumper. Why? Because RV's already, it's just about a year, maybe a year and a half. And as you can see here, can you see? It's pitted and it's getting a little rusty. See right here? So what I'm going to do is I bought a Ryobi sander. It's going to be like a quick video here. We're going to go ahead and sand it down. Of course, I'm going to remove the tire and sand all this down. And then we're going to go ahead and repaint. What I got here is I'm going to head to Harbor Freight. Bought me the spray tool gun. I got me some roll bar and chassis paint. This is self-priming up to 250 degrees and it stops rust. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a fast-paced video. I'm gonna go ahead and tape everything up, take the wheel out. We'll go ahead and get this done. Alright, just want to make sure the mic is on. Is the mic on? Okay, yes, it's on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down. Without trying to wet the paper. Because then I'm going to sand it down. And now that I look at it, I should have maybe put the paperwork afterwards. Take these off, almost forgot. Because that way, when I do, you know, start to paint, I have a little better look than no look at all. So let me just wipe this down, let it dry. Good thing is that the weather's nice today, so it'll dry pretty quick. Take the covers out. Matter of fact, taking that out. Why? Because I'm going to go ahead and paint the edges too. I'll probably come around here, do some of that. Alright. Now that I have it all wiped down, make sure it's dry. This is when I'm at the sand down. Now I'm going to get the sander. We'll start go ahead and sanding this down. Alright, I got here my sandpaper. I'm going to start with the 80, the 120, and 220. I went ahead and purchased a Ryobi spoil-free sander, which is what I'm going to use today to sand down the bumper. It does come with a few sandpapers, and it comes with this little bottle for the dust not to go everywhere. Go ahead and set this up with the battery and start sanding this. All right, we're going to start off with the 80, then we're going to go to the 120 and 220. So I'm going to set this up here. We're going to go ahead and start sanding. Let's see how this is going to work. Never done this before, never used one of these before, so hopefully I know what I'm doing. What's the buttons here? Let's see how this. Let me get it set you down so I can go ahead and do this. All right, here's what it's looking like. I sanded it down, letting it dry, because I wiped it down so it can be nice and clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and start painting it. So maybe like 2 minutes, I'll be right back. All right, I was able to bring the screen up some so that way I can see. Let me go ahead and start doing this. How does this thing work? I guess I'll pull this out. How does this work? Just put it in here, I guess. Around the can. To attach, locate nose of can gun down inside the valve mounting cup. So it's saying to go down. Oh shit. Alright. Try it a different way. Blooper. How's this thing go? Press forward until it's firmly sealed. Hold can firmly in the can grasp. Get your finger off the trigger. Place spray can, stable surface. So I'm trying to see how this goes on here. Or maybe I gotta take the cover off. I never used one of these before, so I don't know. I have to go on YouTube and figure it out. Alright, so I got it done. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple hours. I'll probably just leave it till tomorrow so it can dry real good. Then I'm gonna come back out here, clean this up, some waxing, and put the tire back on. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up and leave it there till tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna come by with the buffer and go ahead and buff this out. I'm gonna buff this out. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow or something like that. I'll get everything else.